Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by changing where light hits your glasses. Place the main lamp 30 to 60 degrees off the camera axis so reflections miss the lenses. Once done, raise the webcam to eye level and tilt your screen down a bit to alter the reflection angle. This changes the path of glare. Make sure to dim or turn off harsh overhead lights before proceeding because they are the usual culprit. This first set of moves gives you visible improvement quickly and sets up the next refinements. Now you soften and balance lighting so glare disappears without making you look flat. Place a diffuser, softbox, lampshade, or stretched white sheet 1 to 3 feet from your key light to scatter the beam. Once the key light is diffused, add a low-intensity fill light opposite the camera at roughly 20 to 30% of the key power to reduce shadows without creating new reflections. Make sure to lower your screen brightness if it's reflecting on the lenses, because the monitor is a common secondary glare source. Finish by testing live on Zoom and making micro adjustments. Start your camera, enable HD if available, and observe while you slowly tilt your head and move the lamp in small increments. You'll see glare vanish when angles no longer align. If reflections persist, consider anti-reflective coatings or a clip-on polarizing filter as a last resort because they reduce surface glare chemically or optically. If nothing works, troubleshoot by temporarily repositioning lights, swapping to diffused window light, or lowering monitor brightness until the reflection disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.